Hi guys, this is Hector. Today is Friday the 16th of November 2007, and we are looking into the cable, okay, GBP against the American dollar. I've just taken a short entry at 203.88, sorry. Basically, I've been following today the the sterling pound. The sterling pound crosses in order to search for short entries, and basically I'm betting on a bearish day for the pound. Okay, let me try to show you what I'm seeing on my charts. Okay, all right. First of all, I was telling the guys in my mailing list this morning how I was looking for a London Open breakout type of trade on all the main pound crosses, the cable, that's the GBP against the American dollar. Then I was also looking for into the GBP against the CHF and also the GBP against the Japanese yen. The first initial breakout on the firstly, we are clearly seeing a downtrending week, okay, at least as of the last 3 days, making lower highs, okay, and lower lows, moving averages pointing down, etc., etc. Moreover, second requirement for the London Open breakout type of trade, you know, sideways price action over the throughout the overnight session, the Tokyo session, okay. So you can see we can clearly see a sideways channel, and as the London market opened, we've seen a very nice down. Actually, let me zoom in a little bit. I don't know if you guys can see that properly. I know that YouTube videos, you know, they're not very high quality videos anyway. Okay, as London market opened, we've seen a nice thrust to the downside, breaking below yesterday low and also the Tokyo session low and also the 20400. Okay, that's the level I was telling the guys in my mailing list this morning that I was looking to see a trade, sorry, a breakout, and well, like I say, that happened. As London market opened. Now zooming into the trigger chart, which in this case is the 15-minute chart, like in any other London Open breakout type of trade. The first breakout happened here, okay. It ran about 50 pips. It gave me no entry. I was actually looking to try the initial breakout as usual, but it gave me no entry. As you can see, there is no retracement whatsoever, no green bar whatsoever. It just, you know, what can I say? It breached through and it ran 55 pips actually, straight down within the hour, okay, 50 pips, and it gave me no breakout pullback continuation, okay. Instead, it just ran 50 pips all the way to the next round number at 203.50. After that, immediately after, we bounced up off the like I said, the 203.50 round number. We came back up to retest the 20400, okay. Remember the previous lows, we had a double bottom there, okay, double bottom there, first portion of the double bottom, then the second portion of the double bottom. Finally we breached through, we banked onto the next round number. Probably some profit takens happened here. All the people that aggressively traded the first breakout, you know, having reached the next round number, they cashed in their positions. Price retraced back to the previous lows for the day, and and we are finding some resistance there of previous support levels, okay. Former support levels now working as resistance. Also the round number, a new opportunity for the people's all the people betting on a bearish day for the sterling pound have a second chance to reload short on this currency pair. They do so, you know, just like myself, and well, seems like price begins to retrace back down. All right. So up on the retracement back, okay, to that level, holding finding resistance there. Even zooming in a little bit farther, we can see that the retracement trend line, okay, is breached. Okay, actually retracement channel, but nonetheless the retracement trend line gives way, and from there, as soon as we break through, okay, I trigger my short entry at 203.88, and well, I'm effectively shorting this trade. The stop loss is quite tight, actually, just above this high, okay, just above the round number 204.07, and then I'm aiming for the average daily range, okay, which mostly takes me all the way down to the next round number at 203.00. Okay, I will exit as usual, few pips, 5 pips above that. You know that I like to try to, or I like to place my base my intraday trades around the round numbers. I personally believe that round numbers do work as some sort of pivot points for the intraday price action. Okay, as you can see, once price broke through the round number, it ran straight through to the next one. Okay, found resistance, support there, run once again to the 204.00, sorry, and well, in my opinion, I am betting that it's going down from here. You never know. This thing might easily turn around against me, but nonetheless, I'm gonna try. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna show you the other currency pairs that I was following today. Basically, it's the same type of thing. GBP against the CHF. Another nice London Open breakout type of trade or setup. Okay, nicely trending down. This is the GBP against the CHF 1 hour time frame, guys. Making lower highs, lower lows. Tight overnight range. Alright, I was telling the guys on my mailing list that the level to keep an eye on was the 229.00. That gave way. Zooming into the 15-minute chart, we see basically the same phenomenon. It ran straight through, okay, for another 50 pips, banked onto the next round number, in this case the 228.50, came back up, retesting previous lows, okay, and the round number, the 229 round number, and it seems like it's finding resistance at that level. Okay, basically a very typical, a very similar setup from the GBP against the American dollar. And finally, GBP against the JPY. This breakout was definitely it didn't pull through. Okay, we also had a double bottom, which if I scroll back, you can see that well, basically we have a double top, a double bottom at 224.00, which is the level I told you guys in my mailing list, the level to keep an eye on. We found support of it once again. We have some sort of a clear downtrend throughout the last 3 days. All right, but in this case, zooming into the 15-minute chart, we can see that the breakout didn't pull through. All right, that's why it's always so important to wait for the breakout pullback continuation. All right, in this case, we just pipped below, all right, that double bottom, and we've come back into the overnight range, which is this is the overnight range. Okay, the price action that's been taking place throughout Tokyo session. We pipped a few pips below that, and then we've come back in. That's why, like I say, it's always so important, if you want to be sort of, you know, conservative with your trading, to wait for the breakout pullback continuation in order to confirm the breakout. If you tried the initial breakout, well, you would have been stopped out. That's why I don't like to trade the initial breakouts. Alright guys, but I'm not positioned on the GBP JPY nor on the GBP CHF. Remember that the trade that I am currently in is the GBP against the American dollar. I will keep you updated on this trade. Okay guys, bye bye. Hi guys, this is Hector. One quick update just to let you know that I've been stopped out on this trade on the GBP against the American dollar for minus 20 pips. Well, what can I say? It seemed like a beautiful London Open breakout type of trade, but it's decided to well, turn around and come back to you know, to stop loss levels. Anyway, that was all for today and for this week. Definitely not. It's so far it's not a good month. And not a good week actually, but anyway, you know, that's trading for you. Sometimes it's not that easy, is it? Alright guys, that's all. Bye bye.